In today's video, I'll show you how to create alert reminders in monday.com. First, open your browser and go to the official monday.com website. Then, make sure to log in to your account. Once you are on the home page, choose your board from the left side panel. Next, click the plus sign beside the last column, then search for timeline and select it. After that, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the timeline column. Then select Settings and click Add or Edit Date Reminders. Click When, then choose the time you want. You can also click the circle to select when you want to be notified, such as 1 day before or 1 week before. Make sure the timeline column is selected. Next, click Notify, where you can type a message to personalize the reminder. Then click Someone and choose who you want to notify. Finally, click Create Automation, and you will see it appear in your board automations. And that's it! That's how you create alert reminders in monday.com.